Hi guys, welcome back again to another video. Today I'm going to be grilling these sea bass. I love sea bass. Sea bass is a very good protein fish, very soft and delicious. I'm going to be grilling this now. Yeah, stay with me as I show you how I'm going to be doing this. I'm going to give it a little bit of rinse. I'm going to just put it here on this plate and I'll be seasoning this now. Here my seasoning, I've got garlic powder, garlic granules, and here is my mixed spice, all-purpose seasoning. I've got some pepper, ground pepper here, and I'm going to be using this cube. So I'm going to sprinkle some of the herbs on these sea bass. I'm going to marinate this. And some garlic powder. I'll add some pepper as well. My seasoning cube. I'm just going to rub it in now. Rub it in properly. My baking tray, I'm going to lay my aluminium foil. I'm just going to arrange the sea bass here. Sea bass is a very delicious fish. I love it very much. Here is my butter. I'm going to put on the middle of that fish. I'm going to put a little bit. Just place it in the middle here. So that's it. Just allow this to grate together. I'm going to put this in the oven now. I'm going to put it in the oven and allow this to grill until it's ready. Guys, here is my sea bass. It's now ready. It's still bubbling. Look at the butter around it. It's ready now, and I'm going to serve. Now. I need to have this with a toast. Salad. I'm going to squeeze a bit of lemon to give it that kick. My food is now ready. What do you think about this recipe? Let me know on the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. And don't forget to give me like. Bye.